Let's figure it out with you. What is Zoho CRM? What is its functionality? And let's dive deeper into its possibilities. Zoho CRM is not just a separate application, but it is a whole platform, a CRM system, where there are not only standard CRM features, but also many other solutions to business problems: recruiting, project management, finance, warehouse accounting, and many other additions that Zoho releases. The country of origin of this platform is India. Before choosing a CRM system, you need to evaluate it according to several criteria. The first is the cost. It is important that the software is not too expensive. The prices at the time of recording are the same, but it is better to contact the company's managers for an up-to-date offer for your company. Choose for yourself based on the list of possibilities. The second is the ability to integrate with messengers and the ability to communicate with customers from the system itself. Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn have already been added to the standard functionality. You can also connect WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. The third is the ability to integrate with the API, IP telephony, mailing lists, and SMS, and other automation systems. The fourth is analytics and reporting capabilities. The fifth is other additions and features. Main page. It looks like a dashboard for a sales manager with information on open transactions, new deals, tasks for calls and meetings. The windows on the main page can be customized for yourself. Contacts. We can segment contacts by search filters. We can perform certain mass actions to work with contacts. We can display contacts in the form of a Kanban or a list. We can add photos for potential or existing clients. We can send emails or messages directly to the contact from the CRM card. To do this, just click on the Send Email button. To do this, there is a mail connection to your account and a function for adding email templates. You can also see the status of the email, delivered and open. In addition to the standard information, there is a time for window. This is the best time for calls or emails. That is, you can specify the time zone or the right time to contact the client. We also see which deals and tasks are attached to the contact and can quickly follow the links. By yourself, you can customize the appearance of the card as you like for your own processes. To show or not to show the necessary fields and sections, add an address or attach documents, or display social networks and profiles for communication. In this case, you can immediately go from the contact card to the social profile and communicate directly there. Also, all notes and comments, correspondence history, conversation recordings, all sent emails and attachments are visible in the card. Transactions. The display of transaction cards can be configured in the form of a Kanban and in the form of a list. On the left side, we have filters by which we can find and segment deals. Inside the transaction card, you can edit the funnel statuses and immediately switch to the desired status. The appearance is similar to a contact card. Information on contacts and tasks is also duplicated. We can edit the transaction information in the fields and in the notes. Change the responsible person, budget, and other fields. I recommend adding fields as answers to open questions during the identification of needs and combining information from the fields with a form on the site or marketing metrics. You can add any fields here, just like in contacts. You can also add and link to templates for products, stock items, and services. Tasks. Tasks are also displayed as a list or Kanban. There is also a filter for searching for tasks. Marketplace. In the App Store, you can see a list of all widgets and add-ons for CPM that can be connected. There are paid and free ones, easy navigation and search by category. You can set widgets for setting automatic tasks with reference to information from the fields. You can add telephony, website integration, an analytics system, or a mailing list service, or scanning a business card with automatic filling in the fields with information from the photo of the business card. A mobile application. For those who work outside the office or for convenience, you can use a mobile application that duplicates the main functions, but in a mobile format. Distribution of leads. It is possible to distribute leads to the sales manager depending on the source of the transaction, thereby transferring warmer responsible leads to the best sales manager. Documents. You can create invoices or contracts inside the CRM system itself, automatically filling in information from the fields in the contact card of the company or transaction. A prepared document template is enough for this. This is very useful for reducing work time and automating business processes. Analytics. A huge number of reports and dashboards are already built in by default, but you can also make your own in a convenient report editor. Forget about Power BI and complex integrations. Everything is already built in and conveniently displayed. It is possible to see sales forecasts and conversion forecasts, according to which you can set KPIs, motivation or goals for the sales department. Reports. You can segment reports by department or by employee. Select any criteria and select the type of display. They can also be shown on the main page. You can also adjust different access levels, to whom and what to show. Business processes. If you have other departments, then you can also connect them to the system and add a project management application. In projects, you can add a chain of tasks to different responsible ones. Create your own interfaces and tasks for everyone. CRM inventory. This is inventory accounting for goods for inventory management, receipt and shipment of goods. Everything is integrated with the transaction card, and the manager can quickly see information about the remaining goods. An open API. For many, this is the most important parameter, since your automation service may not be in the App Store, but there is a great desire and the right desire to automate everything. After all, everything should be in a single interface. The presence of an open API provides ample opportunities for customizing the system for yourself or adding third-party sites or applications, booking tickets, integration with marketplaces or accounting systems. Any wishes and the correct technical task will be able to fulfill your fantasy for automation. Zoho Flow. Well, this is the most interesting product for automation. This is a connector with which we can connect any tools to each other and combine them with CRM. This is an analog of Zapier or Albato, but it does not require additional investments. It is already built in and can be used. Through it, we can connect applications, messengers, tables, websites, calendars, and other programs of yours to each other, even if we did not find them in the App Store. This is a brief overview of the main features. For the information of our managers, there are tens of thousands of videos on YouTube that have already been recorded and will be recorded upon new updates. Therefore, we learn to Google useful information for specific tasks. If it was useful, then there are various useful buttons at the bottom and you know what to do with them. Denis from HeadRent was with you.